In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily disable shortcuts notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first you need to open up Shortcuts app. After that, top right here to go to automation. As you can see here, I got to just one automation here, and it always shows banner popper when the automation starts running. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily disable to do that. First off, you need to get into that automation, and somewhere here at the very top you will find the option notify when run. All that we have to do, just turn it off, and then just tap it down to apply the changes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button